Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something you might not have expected to see here: oral care. We're all about beauty, but let's face it, a beautiful smile starts with healthy teeth. So today, I'm reviewing the doctor's BrushPicks, a 2-in-1 interdental brush and dental pick that promises to help keep plaque in check and improve your overall oral health. If you're looking for a more effective alternative to traditional floss, or maybe a way to clean in those hard-to-reach spots, you've come to the right place. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest review. Now let's get into it. Product overview. The Doctor's BrushPicks is an innovative oral care tool that combines an interdental brush and a dental pick in one handy device. The interdental brush has long, soft bristles designed to clean between your teeth, even fitting between braces or permanent retainers. On the flip side, there's a dental pick with ridges meant to help stimulate your gums, fight gingivitis, and remove plaque. The pack includes 120 toothpicks in a compact, travel-friendly case, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're headed to work, on a trip, or just need a quick clean during the day, this little tool is meant to be your personal plaque-busting sidekick. Real-world testing and usage experience. I used the Doctor's BrushPicks for about a week, and it's safe to say that it definitely lives up to the hype. I'm always looking for ways to improve my oral hygiene, and these made a noticeable difference in how my teeth felt after each use. The bristles on the interdental brush are soft but effective. They glide between teeth without causing discomfort, which is essential for someone like me who has sensitive gums. The dental pick side is interesting too. It's firm enough to help break down plaque and stimulate the gums, and I did feel my gums were a little healthier after using it consistently. It's also perfect for travel. It's compact, easy to use, and doesn't take up much space in my bag, so I was able to carry it with me everywhere. Pros and cons. Let's break this down a bit. Pros: convenience. The 2-in-1 design is perfect for people who want to save time and space. Travel-friendly, the compact case makes it ideal for on-the-go use. Effective. It helps reach tight spots that regular floss might miss, especially for those with braces. Gentle. The bristles are soft yet effective, which makes it a great option for those with sensitive gums. Cons. Not a replacement for full flossing. While these are fantastic for cleaning between your teeth, they don't fully replace traditional flossing, so I still recommend using both. Small picks. The picks are small, so it might be a bit fiddly for people with larger hands or less dexterity. Value for money. At first glance, the price might seem a little high for something like a dental pick. But considering the 120 picks you get, and the fact that they're clinically proven to be more effective than flossing, I think it's worth it. The quality of the product is solid, and it's a convenient tool that could help improve your oral hygiene significantly. Comparisons. When compared to other plaque-removing tools or interdental brushes, the Doctor's BrushPicks stands out because of its 2-in-1 design. Many other products require you to carry separate brushes and picks, but this one eliminates that extra hassle. You could get similar products in terms of effectiveness, but the combination of convenience and performance is what makes this one unique. Build quality and longevity. The construction of the picks feels solid. The bristles are sturdy but gentle, and the dental picks are tough enough to do the job without feeling flimsy. The travel case is practical and keeps everything secure, which is important for hygiene and convenience. As for longevity, I found that these last a decent amount of time before the bristles start to wear out, and I'm confident that the 120 pick supply will last me for a while. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Customer support. I haven't needed to interact with customer service directly, but the Doctor's BrushPicks brand has a good reputation for handling customer inquiries. If you do run into any issues, you can expect timely assistance from their team. Final verdict. So, does the Doctor's BrushPicks live up to its claims? Yes, it does. It's a solid tool for anyone looking to improve their oral hygiene, especially if you're someone with braces or hard-to-reach areas. It's gentle on the gums, effective at removing plaque, and portable for everyday use. The only downside is that it doesn't fully replace traditional flossing, so you'll still want to use both. If you're looking for a more efficient way to clean your teeth between meals or while traveling, I highly recommend giving these a try. Thank you for watching. The link to purchase the Doctor's BrushPicks is in the description or comments below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.